In this video, we'll see together some verbs that will be constructed with the preposition a and followed by a second verb in the infinitive form. It's the last part of this series, so it's the fourth part, and it will be quite short, in fact, because we will have only 4 verbs. Premier verbe. Servir à. Cette application sert à compter le nombre de pas que vous faites chaque jour. Cette application sert à compter le nombre de pas que vous faites chaque jour. So in that situation, as you can see, the verb is servir à. So be careful because many people tend to think that all the verbs ending in er belong to the second group, the second regular group of verbs, but in fact servir à is one of the verbs that belong to the third group, so it's a bit trickier to conjugate. So that's the reason why, as you can see here, when you conjugate it, it's like that. Sert. So it's the verb servir in that case. So you conjugate it, it's in the present form here, then you put your preposition à, and after that you have your infinitive form compter. Cette application sert à compter le nombre de pas que vous faites chaque jour. Deuxième verbe. Songer à. Je songe à lui dire ce que je pense vraiment. Je songe à lui dire ce que je pense vraiment. Songer is a regular verb, so you can see that it's in the present form here. Je songe. We have the preposition right after. And so if you look carefully, we had that previously in the previous episodes of this series. So the infinitive is dire here. So it should be put after the preposition à, because that's the concept of this video. But remember that the pronouns that are connected to a verb, and in that case, lui, pronom complément d'objet indirect, is totally connected to dire, and it must be placed before the verb. So that's the reason why it is right before the preposition, or between the preposition and the verb. À, lui, dire. D'accord? Don't put lui after dire because it will be a mistake and people might not really understand what you want to say. So it must be really before your verb. Je songe à lui dire ce que je pense vraiment. Troisième verbe. Tenir à. Il tient à faire ce voyage tout seul. Il tient à faire ce voyage tout seul. So same thing here with tenir. Remember, tenir belongs to the third group, so that's the reason why when you conjugate it in the present form, you will have this form il tient. Il tient, then you put your preposition à, and then the verb that comes is faire, and it is in the infinitive form. Il tient à faire ce voyage tout seul. And the last verb of this series is travailler à. Je travaille à mettre en place un nouveau serveur pour mes collègues. Je travaille à mettre en place un nouveau serveur pour mes collègues. So this is quite well, not simple, but it's not tricky. In that case, the verb is travailler. It's a regular verb from the first group. It's in the present form here. Je travaille. Then you put your preposition right after à, and the verb mettre is in the infinitive form. Je travaille à mettre en place un nouveau serveur pour mes collègues.